Hello and welcome to another Tuesday tip video from OpenCRM. This time we are showing you a series of steps that are automated using workflow. The process is as follows. When a project is closed, workflow adds a warning to the project itself. It also updates the linked sales order, setting a status of ready for invoicing, and it inherits the project code from the project. Finally, it sends an email to our accounts person to alert them that the work on the project is completed and it is ready for invoicing. All of these steps are managed within one single workflow. Here you can see the condition that triggers the workflow when the project has the status of closed. The first action is where we automatically update the status and project code fields on the linked sales order. In the next action, we send an email notification to our accounts user to let them know it's ready to be invoiced. In the final action, we add the warning to the project. And that's it. Hopefully that gives you some ideas as to how you can use workflow to automate some of your processes. Thank you for watching.